Now I'm gonna move everything to the greenhouse because it's a winter. Now take all these plants, put them in the greenhouse. I have two greenhouses, not that big, but they're gonna help in the winter time. Yeah, this is the greenhouse now. Gonna help. Yeah, I need to move all of these now. I have another greenhouse. A lot of cleaning. This is yellow pelora. And this is Enigma. I need to move these. Hawaiian orange. I don't know if I want to cut this or gonna let it go. And Cheyenne, Asanta 6 have a new growth. Cocoa Irish. All these look. Do you want me remove some of them or keep all of them? Tell me in the comment. Is that too much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 branches, and there's one more here, 8. This is Cocoa Irish. See, Enigma in the winter time is gonna have that color. Every variety is different. I lost this cocoa berry. It's happened. It's happened. Alpino. I love these branches. They're doing good. It's almost Thanksgiving and it's gonna rain tonight. I prepare the greenhouse. I'm gonna move some of them to the greenhouse. I have 2 of them. Winter's here. That greenhouse is gonna save from the cold. And do you think we're gonna have fruit more in the Christmas time? Let's see. I have one here. Over there. Some. End of the season. In November, we still have some fruit. Yeah, we still have some fruit. And this is beautiful ready. And we have one more. Maybe this is need 10 days more. I'm gonna cut all of that. Yeah, November 15 we have here some Zamorano. Almost over. And the yellow pelora, it starts now. Here's the buds for yellow palora. Yeah, a lot of, you see how they tired because they still have fruit. And winter is coming. They said tonight there's rain. This is a second greenhouse, smaller. I need to clean everything because I need to save all of these. Yeah, I have a lot of these. I need to plant them, put them in the greenhouse. No more fruit, no more fruit. Oh, it starts raining now, rain is coming. No more fruit. Oh, there's two here. Vietnamese red. There's one here. Natural mystic. Yeah, this is just a small video this week in November. Scorpion. I love it. So beautiful. Beautiful. I love the color. Look, look. Beautiful. And tastes delicious. Yeah, thank you for watching. This is just a small video for today, November 15. Oh, here's one more. And there's two more here. Yeah, it is winter now. That's it. We're gonna be prepared for the cold. We need to be prepared for the cold. And pruning. Okay, guys, see you next video.